Hi, I am Samuel, and this is an activity given to us by our instructor, IT2051229. So, what I'm going to discuss to you is our company, Zenco Footsteps. So, first, we are to open our SAP login screen, but um, so here, as you can see, I am using a VMware player in order for me to create a LAN server because I don't have an internet connection. Then after successfully logging in the about SAP logon, so this is the screen you see here. So let's start with our discussion. So the name of our package is Z Company. So Zenco Footsteps is a retailer, shoe store or slipper stores. They are located in along Central Mall, Magsaysay Road. So the first thing I have to do to our package is to create database tables. So I have 5 database tables, which is the for clerk, for product, for receipt, for report, and for request. So the database table for the clerk is for clerk information. The product is for table for products information. The receipt is for the receipt information. The report is for all the fields needed for us to create a report and a request. So after creating these database tables, so we are ready now to create our screen. But before that, I'm going to show you our database table for our company clerk. Well, sad to say that my SAP software is not responding that fast, so I have a hard time doing it. So here, this is my database table, company clerk. So I have here 4 fields, which is the clerk ID, clerk F name, clerk L name, clerk gender. And as you can see, I created a primary key for my database table, which is the clerk ID. So next one is our company product table. So my company product table is the product ID, product brand, product size, product color, product price, and my primary key is product ID. Next is the receipt. So I have the receipt ID, product brand, product size, product color, product price, and I have the primary key, receipt ID, and so on. So after creating my database table, I am now ready to create my screens for this. So I have created 6 screens. So screen 100 is the screen for doing company well, I'm sorry for that. 100 is a screen for creating and or inserting informations on our database table company clerk. So as you can see, my screen 100 has 3 processes after input, which is the module save, module delete, and the module update command. So the first thing to do is to create a status, and after doing so, you are to create the commands such as the save command, delete command, update command. So I'm going to show you the code for this. So here is my module save command for my screen 100. So I have here created a function which is save, and I have here my database fields, which is clerk ID, clerk fname, clerk lname, and so on. And here are the result that these fields like clerk ID are going to have in our database. So next one is to show you is to create a transaction. So I have here 5 transactions. So actually what is needed here is the company clerk, company process request, and the company request. I have also here company receipt and report, but it's not a need for our company anymore because it's for these so-called transactions are used to be done in the report generation in the program. So I have here a company clerk transaction. This is how it looks, and the process request and also the request. So let's check if these transactions really work for our database. First one is the clerk. So this is the screen for my sales clerk. This screen will give us this screen is a screen used to input data to our database sales clerk. So let's try. Here I have clerk ID 667. The first name is, let's say, Region, and the last name Inspiration. Yeah, and gender is male. After inputting those information in our screen and saving it, we can check our database to find the information we inserted a while ago. So the company clerk. So here I have the clerk ID 667. This is the new gen that I created a while ago. So my screen is working. Back to the home. Then let's check another transaction. The next transaction that I'm going to present is the company process request. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here. Actually, this is the transaction for accepting request, and I have here the request ID, the product value, product size, the product color, and I have the two buttons, add and proceed. Okay, back to home. Okay, our transaction is new company proc. Thank you. So this is the screen for processing request. Here you're going to insert the request ID that is generated after you finish with a request screen. So then if you press the search, it will search for the number or ID that you've inserted in the field, and when you press the button mark, it will mark as a request that is already active. Let's go to home. So okay, that's it. And actually I don't have the program for the company receipt and the company report. I'm going to make it later on in our class hours. So that's it for today.